Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we disable guys talkback setting in our Samsung phone device. Friends, we want to disable your phone talkback settings. So friends, how can you disable it? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, you can see guys your phone guys this talkback setting guys you have enabled, you have on by mistake. So friends, how can you disable today I will tell you. So guys, use your two finger and guys scroll it, and friends you can see guys your phone setting guys, one tap and guys two tap guys continue. After on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting in your phone. So when scroll with your two fingers, any two finger guys you can use, but guys you will have to use two finger, one finger guys will not work. So use your two finger guys and click on guys phone accessibility guys, tap here, double tap talkback setting guys, tap here to disable, double tap on talkback guys, tap here to disable it, turn off talkback guys, double tap to disable. So once your talkback will disable guys, you can use guys your phone guys without this talkback setting guys, one finger guys you can use guys your phone. So like that guys we can disable guys talkback setting guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.